Today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is "Man Fights Police After Refusing to Pay Restaurant."
You just committed 2 felonies and a couple misdemeanors. Enjoy that ride to jail, buddy.
On June 2nd, 2025, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a call from a restaurant stating they had a customer refusing to pay his dinner tab. When the officers arrived, they could see an employee pointing at a man across the street, indicating that he is the man they called for.
What's going on today, sir? How are you doing? You gonna pay for your food? Okay. You not want to talk? He just said he's gonna pay, so I don't know what the issue is. What happened?
The issue is he has no money to pay. He said that he has sent, but
In my car.
In your car? Do you have it now? Okay. Do you want to see if he is willing to pay, or
he's leaving. He's not gonna pay.
are you leaving or are you paying?
I'm going to my car to pay.
Okay, what's in your car? Your wallet?
My charger for my phone.
Your charger for your phone. Okay. Your phone's on.
No say. No percentage.
What language do you speak? I don't know what that meant. Bro, what language do you speak?
No say.
Are you with him?
Yeah, I came here and I just was under the impression he was paying, and then
What, are you two like on a date or something?
no, I'm just his friend.
Sir, listen.
I turn my phone on, I pay. Now I go to my car to charge my phone.
It's not. Look, your phone's on, so you either need to pay or.
I just did.
No, he just said. He just said it didn't go through. He's saying right there. You can talk to him from right here.
His mom's coming, she'll pay.
Well, that's not the thing. So, how much is the bill? Okay.
No sir. No.
What would you guys like done?
All I had was an appetizer.
You
All I
want
had was an appetizer.
trespass?
It says free appetizer on the door.
I can follow the
Okay, that's it. Nothing more.
wait a minute.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, sir?
No sir.
No ID, no nothing.
No nothing.
Cool. What's your first name?
No sir.
Okay, listen. I'll make this very simple. Okay. You're gonna give me your ID and name. Give me your name and stuff. Do you want to go? You want to go jail?
Okay.
Do you want to go to jail? Arrested? Then I need your name.
D.
D. Spell your first name for me, or give me your ID.
D.
It's Daniel.
What?
Daniel.
Daniel. You're gonna tell me your name, or I will take you to jail. It's very simple. Huh?
Danielle.
Then spell it.
D-A-N-I-E-L.
D-A-L.
Pendejo. I want to talk to him.
Talk to him. Good.
Chief Pendejo. How you doing today, Officer Olson? Can I smoke my cigarettes? Looks like I can smoke them in here. I want to smoke my cigarette outside. That's why they called the police. I was going to smoke it in here.
Happy to do that. We get all this stuff, man.
No, sir.
If he doesn't cooperate,
Before we continue, ladies, are you going out with no money? As I'm sitting here, the other lady, this guy is a jerk off, okay? The other lady that he's with, the friend or whatever the case may be, she says, I was under the impression that he would pay. That's fine. But now he's not. So you not gonna at least even cover what you paid for? You came out completely broke? That's what I'm looking at. Like, I'm like, because this guy, yeah, he going to jail. This guy's an idiot. He's the lost cause. He's an idiot. But for her, whether you going on a date, friend, whatever, invite you out, even if they say, yo, hey, I got it, I got you. You still supposed to have some type of money. Just in case, something go wrong or whatever the case may be. Like, you came out with nothing? That's crazy to me.
You want to escalate this any further? You want him arrested?
See. All right, this is your final chance. You're going to give me your exact name, or I'm going to place you under arrest.
Sí.
So what is your name?
Daniel.
Spell it.
Daniel with pendijo.
Daniel, what is your middle initial?
Pendijo.
Your middle initial is Pendijo. Got it. What is your last? What is your last name?
Pendijo.
No, pendijo. No. That's a bad word in Spanish, bro. Like, come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. See, you know what I said? See, sometimes, listen, if you ain't grow up around no culture, you don't know these things. You know what I mean? If you only grew up, with your people and all of that, and ain't venture out into different groups and stuff like that, you wouldn't know that. Because now this guy, I'm not Hispanic, but I know it's a bad word. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man.
Pendijo.
Daniel, pendijo.
Cool.
Sí. And 1, 2, 3, no good.
What is your birthday?
Muy bien. Pendijo.
What is your birthday?
Pendijo.
All right, that's cool.
You guys want to press charges?
Yep.
Sir, stand up, put your hands behind your back. If you resist, you're going to get tased, you're going to get pepper sprayed. It's going to hurt
Very
a lot.
simple.
You are
Put
going
your
to
hands
get hurt
behind
if
your
you don't
back.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, you will not take my phone.
Of course, can we get one more fight one?
You cannot put your hands on my
I got legs. Headquarters, step it up. Give me your fucking hands. It's a 44, we're fighting one. Give me your arm.
You got pressure on his arm?
I have one arm. Okay, I'm gonna pepper spray the floor. Enjoy them. Smell my pepper spray. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
They're inside the building.
Pepper spray deployed. We're getting. Stop kicking me! Stop kicking me! Fucking wrist retreat. Take your time. Take your time. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. We got friends here. There we go. All right. All right, we got him secured.
You guys good?
Yeah. We need a different supervisor for use of force. Things involved. Fucking ridiculous. Oh, he had an ID. What do we know? Hey, I'm gonna roll him this way to check his pocket, please. Watch out, he likes to kick and all this fun stuff. So there he goes. He just kicked me right now. Right there. We're good right there. He's got. Oh, that's right. Earbuds. We probably will eventually.
I got one in my truck.
All right, we're gonna roll them the other way now. Yeah, we will. My mom's here to pay. Yep, you're under arrest now. We're past that, buddy. You just committed 2 felonies and a couple misdemeanors. Enjoy that ride to jail, buddy.
That's cop.
Yeah, you didn't do anything about it.
Hey, uncuff me. Uncuff me. Let me talk to him.
Nope, you're done.
Let me talk to a supervisor.
Yep, that's another
Talk to
try.
a supervisor.
I am the supervisor, the one you tried to choke.
All right, let me speak to the supervisor.
We're done with this.
Okay.
We are done. We got a hobble? We need to do a hobble on him. He's probably going to go to... You might have to go to hospital. We got open? Yeah, a bunch. You hit him? A bunch of times.
Yeah, it's okay.
We'll do what you got to do.
You guys want to work on gloving up? I got it. Try at least 4 people with gloves. I've already got some on. We got you.
Well, I'm glad they got him together because he definitely need an attitude check. Imagine taking out a girl, whether it's a friend or, you know, you trying to get romantically with her or whatever, but you need your mom to pay for it. Like, what are we, 12? Like, what? Like, what? If you can't afford it, why would you take her out? Just don't take her out. Oh my God. Doesn't make no sense, man. He's a piece of crap. Yeah, as this was going on, I was looking at what pendejo mean, because I forget exactly what it meant, but it's like asshole or something like that. Like, but I know it's a bad word. I knew that, but I forgot what it meant. Either if it was bitch or asshole or something, you know, something like that. But yeah. It was funny because the cop was actually writing it down. Like, Daniel Pendio. And the cop was legit writing it down as if that was his. Come on, man.
Someone get these legs because he's going to start kicking.
Yeah, these legs are yeah, they're going to come up with
You got the legs? I got it. Okay, we got to cut, bring them up. Right? 1, 2. We got to move up. We got to move up. We got it up.
Make sure that shit's tight on his ankles.
Yep, there he goes. Stop right now.
Stop resisting, guys. If you want to catch more charges, that's fine with me, but you better stop.
Yes, sir.
Stop kicking.
Can you go ahead and get that in there?
My knee! Ah!
Chill.
My knee!
Your actions about
Hey, if we need to carry his ass with the hobble, then carry it with the hobble. All right? There's a camera on the table. I don't know whose it is.
I can't breathe.
Just relax, man.
Knock it off.
Relax, man.
Knock it off. Is that your camera?
Probably.
Baylor was all set.
Caesar!
Is that your camera? Baylor was holding it.
No.
Caesar!
There we go. All right, good job. Yeah, I'm good.
All right, want to get out?
Let's go. We got a car to put them in. Actually, is FD here?
Need FD.
Let's get FD to look at them first, if FD's here. I say we leave them right here. Let's leave them here.
That's fine.
We're going to roll him on his side, though, so he can't complain about being on his chest. Hey, if you start bucking or kicking or punching, you're going right back on your stomach. You got me?
Towards me.
I got to switch on. You're good. One of these other guys. We can at least discuss. Yep. Give me him a second. He's here for a moment.
He was then transported to the hospital to be medically cleared. While being loaded onto the stretcher for the ambulance, the police report states that he spat in the face of another officer. The report also states that he assaulted the restaurant staff while exiting the building before officers arrived. He was then transported to the Orange County Jail where he was booked and charged with petty theft, battery by strangulation for momentarily choking the officer, 2 counts of battery on law enforcement officer, and resist officer with violence. He served 154 days in jail and was put on probation for 2 years. The max sentence for all charges together is 15 years. If you enjoy the content we produce, please don't.
At least he got some time. I mean, I think he deserved a year, honestly, at least. 100 days. It's like 3.5 months. You know what I'm saying? 3.25. Nothing. But I would have gave him probably a year or two. Just because you went there, took a lady out, knowing you ain't got no money. What? That's so embarrassing. I wonder if she's still friends with him. Probably. Anyways, I give the officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.